The rest of the options in your File menu allow you to move and print your document. First, you can select Rename if you'd like to change the name of your document. You can also choose to move this to a different location. Maybe you want it in a specific folder, or you forget where it is. You can click on Move and select the place that you would like this document to live. If you would like to delete this document, you can select Move to Trash. You can also publish your document to the web. If I select Publish to the web, what this will do is give me a link that I can send to somebody else so they can see the document. This allows me to embed the document on a website, but with Google Sheets, it also allows me to share just one sheet tab at a time. So if I click where it says Entire Document, I can choose that I only want to share the Daily Schedule tab. If I click that, I can choose that I want to share it as a web page, as a CSV file, as a TSV, or as a PDF. I'm going to select PDF, and then I can click Publish. When I do so, it gives me a link that I can then share that will only show that one sheet tab. I can also click on Published Content and Settings. This will show me the same information and it will allow me to stop publishing. So if at any point I want to restrict the access to that file, I just click Stop Publishing. I can require viewers to use their Dublin City Schools account, and I can choose to automatically republish whenever changes are made to this document so that the person viewing can see the live information. If I've shared this document with other people, I can click on Email Collaborators. This is a really quick way to email the people that you have already shared this document with. You select who you want to receive the information and send without even leaving Google Sheets. I can see the details of my document, which will tell me where it lives, who owns it, when it was created, and when it was last changed. If I click on the spreadsheet settings, I can see the locale and the time zone and also change the calculation settings. Finally, I can print from within my File menu. When you click on Print, you have quite a few options. You can choose to print the current sheet or the selected cells. If you had multiple sheets, you could choose to print all of them at one time. You can select your paper size or choose custom. Choose if you would like this to be landscape or portrait. You can have it fit to width or height or to your page, or you can have it print normally at 100%. You can change your margins to narrow or wide, or you can set a custom number for your margins. Under Formatting, you can choose to show the grid lines on your document or not, and you can choose whether or not you want to show the notes that appear on your document. You can choose how it prints, in which order, and you can change the alignment. If you would like to center your document, you can choose that, but both vertically and horizontally. Finally, you can adjust your header and your footer. Here you can choose to see page numbers if you would like. You can choose to see the workbook title. You can choose to see the sheet name, the current date, and the current time. You can also edit any of those fields by clicking on Edit Custom. And here I can click on any of these options and edit what is there. When I'm ready to print, I just click Next. I see the preview of my document. I can choose which printer I would like it to go to, and I simply click Print.